This is it. The fence already attached, and the parking lot for my 1/8 scale models. Hello friend, meet me again, Ray Photography 27, and this time I want you to join me for unboxing my road bed for my 1/8 scale model cars. Let's go! So, this is it. Flatbed for the car parking lot for my 1/8 scale model cars. Okay, this is the 1/8 scale model place for parking of the model car. As you can see in here, this is acrylic material, a little bit flexible. So as you can see in here, we can put some of the 1/8 scale model. Let's unwrap it. So here is friends, as you can see, we also got the fences in here that we have to attach to the parking lot to make it more 3D feel, so it's not just flat. So like my brother's BM Customs who made this. Thank you very much, bro. This is really nice and cool. Check the link on the descriptions for the BM Customs Instagram. Yep. So this is it without the plastic covers and without the covers of the outer box. You can see in here there's a gradations of the asphalt in here, make it more realistic. As you can see in here, there's a mark in here. So let's continue a little bit with attaching the fence of this parking lot. This is a simple attachment, you just need to put directly to the slot on the face. Seems like brother from BM Custom just make me some spare of the fences, which is nice, unless I try to break it, maybe. I hope not. So anyway, this is it. The fence already attached, and the parking lot for my 1/8 scale models, especially the RWD models, already complete. I'm very thankful for the DM Customs. I'm very speechless. Thank you so much. This is the first time I get for parking lot for my 1/8 scale. After this, I will give you the cinematic of what it looks, and then I will show you when I put my 1/8 scale model cars in this parking lot. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.